All right, young people, we're gonna be working in a website called freecodecamp.org. I've got the link at the bottom of the screen. Um, the directions are pretty clear. So once you go to this website, at the top, you're going to click this the Start Coding tab for free. It's going to ask you to sign up with your Google account. That's fine. You can use Google or you can use iCloud for your email. Either one is fine. When you do finally get logged in, we need you to select Basic in HTML5. It has 28 lessons that look like this. So I think the first one is Say Hello to HTML. It's got all these different lessons where on the left side, you'll see some instructions, and on the right side is where you key in the code. So when you're done with lessons 1 through 9, you'll have a check mark like these three right here. So you'll see these three items are items that I completed. I just took a screenshot, but obviously you're going to have check marks for the first 9 lessons when you're completely done, right? With those with 1 through 9. And then you're going to take a screenshot and turn it in. Now, let me walk you through the website. So, this is what the website looks like. It's Free Code Camp. You want to click Get Started. And since I'm logged into my Google account already, I'll select Google, or you can choose email um, or Facebook or GitHub. But I'm going to use Google. So, it's going to ask me to choose which account. I'll use my personal account. All right. So, now that I'm in, um, I believe it's going to ask you which tutorial do you want to select. And the first tutorials that they have is this first one called Basic HTML and 5. So this is what it looks like, right? Basic HTML and HTML5. You want to click on this arrow. It opens all of the lessons up. You click on the first one. All right, so basically you're going to have some instructions. It talks about what HTML is. It gives you an example of basic code, right? Starts off with the H1 tag, ends with the OL tag, right? Then it gives you some more information. Read all of that. Then let's go to the first lesson. So this is what the first lesson looks like. So you got code over here on this side, on the left-hand side. So this is instructions and different types of code. So the idea is walk yourself through this. Hey, basic HTML, right? You've got all this information, read that. And then underneath the line, you will have some instructions specifically based off of the information on the screen, right? So the first one is to pass the test on this challenge, change your H1 elements text to say hello world, right? So right now it says hello, but it needs to say hello world. Another thing, after you're done with the challenge, click run the test or run test, and it will let you know whether or not you did it right, right? So if I just leave it as is and click run test, well, it's saying, hey, we got an issue here. It's not complete. Oh, another thing I didn't share with you is whatever you key in code over here, right, in the coding window shows up on the right-hand side, right? So it says, I believe if I go back to the lesson, it says say hello world. So I'll take my cursor, put it off to hello, type world. Now I see hello world over here because I keyed in the code here. Now I'll click run test. And it says, hey, congratulations, you did the first one. And then guess what? We'll click submit and go to the next challenge. So now I'm on to lesson number 2. And that's how you get started, young people.